Hi friends, you are watching Abhijit Sana Maths. In this video, we are solving problem set first of Mathematics Part 1 Standard 10 of Maharashtra Board Syllabus Chapter.
Please subscribe Abhijit Sana Maths.
Here, the question number 1, there are 5 sub questions included in that. We have to solve these 5 sub questions. It is objective type of question. Now, question first. Choose the correct alternative for each of the following questions. Means for this question we have to select alternative. The question is to draw graph of 4x plus 5y equals to 19. Find y when x equals to 1. When the value of x equals to 1, we have to find the value of y of this equation of this graph. And here 4 alternative, that is a, b, c, d with answers are given. Then write down the equation of the graph, that is 4x plus 5y equals to 19. Here the value of x is given, that is x equals to 1. Here x equals to 1. Then put x equals to 1 in equation. The equation is 4x plus 5y equals to 19. Now we have to put the value of x, that is x equals to 1 here. Means here write down 4 as it is. Now here the value of x is 1, that's why put 1 instead of x, plus remains as it is. Now here 5y also as it is equals to 19. Now here 4 into 1 it will be 4 plus 5y as it is equals to 19. Now 5y equals to 19 minus 4. This 4 on changing side and going to right side, it will be minus of 4. Now here value of 5y we get is 5y equals to 19 minus 4, that is 15. We get 5y equals to 15. Therefore y will be equals to 15 divided by 5. When we divide 15 by 5, the answer is 3. Therefore we get y equals to 3. We get here y equals to 3. Search here in the objectives where is 3. Here is 3. Now therefore the answer is B. Therefore answer, write down answer equals to B. This is our solution. Sub question 2 of question 1 is for simultaneous equations in variables x and y, the value of dx 49, dy d is 7. Then what is x? Here the alternatives are provided, 4 alternatives, that is a, b, c, d. Now we have to find the value of x. Now how we can find the value of x? We know the formula, that x equals to dx divided by d. Now here the value of dx is 49. Therefore put dx equals to 49. Instead of d you have to put 49. Therefore here it will be 49 divided by d. The value of d here given is 7. That's why put 7 instead of d. Therefore I am writing down here 7. Now 49 is divisible by 7 times. Now here 7 ones are 7 and 7 it is divisible 7 times. Here the answer is 7 and here the alternative, that is a alternative, is 7. Therefore our answer is A. Question number 1, sub question 3. Find the value of this determinant. Here the determinant is given. We have to calculate the value of this determinant, and out of this 4 alternative we have to choose the correct alternative. Then the determinant is 5, 3 minus 7 minus 4. Then write down this determinant as it is, that is 5, 3 minus 7 minus 4. We know how to solve this determinant because such type of questions we have already taken before. Now this 5 will be multiplied with minus 4. This 5 into minus of 4 minus, now this 3 will be multiplied with minus 7. Now this 3 into minus of 7. Now here 5 into minus of 4, it will be minus of 20. Minus, as it is 3 into minus 7, it will be minus of 21. Now here minus 20, as it is minus minus, it will be plus 21. Now here minus 20 plus 21, the answer is plus 1. Now here out of 4 alternative, this answer is 1. Therefore our answer of this question is answer is D. Therefore write down answer D. This is our answer. In the solution part, the equation first is that is x plus y equals to 3, equation 1, and second equation is 3x minus 2y minus 4 equals to 0. It is not in the form of ax plus by equals to c. Then convert it in the form of ax plus by equals to c. Now it will be 3x minus 2y, as it is minus 4, on change of side it will be plus 4. This is equation number 2. Now t equals to the coefficient of first equation, that is 1 1, and coefficient of this equation, that is 3 and minus 2. Write down here 3 and minus 2 here. Now multiplied 1 with minus 2, that is 1 into minus 2 minus this 1 into 3. Now 1 into 3. Now here 1 into minus 2, it will be minus of 2, minus, as it is 1 into 3, it will be 3, equals to minus of 5. Out of these 4 alternative, here C is minus 5. Therefore our answer is C. Here sub question 5 in question number 1. Ax plus by equals to c and mx plus ny equals to d, and an is not equals to bm. Then these simultaneous equations have, out of these 4 alternative, the answer is A, only one common solution. Now question number 2, complete the following table to draw the graph of 2x minus 6y equals to 3. Here the value of x is given, we have to find the value of y, and here we have to write down the values of x and y, and in this column the value of y is given, we have to find the value of x and write down here, and then we have to write down the values of x and y here. Now on solving this, we have to first write down this equation, that is 2x minus 6y equals to 3. Now here the value of x is minus 5, then put x equals to minus 5 in this equation. Now the value of x becomes minus of 5. Now this equation becomes 2 of x minus 6y equals to 3. Instead of x, we have to put the value of minus of 5. Now here it becomes 2 into the value of x is now minus of 5. Now this minus, as it is 6y equals to 3. Now 2 into minus 5, it will be minus of 10 minus 6y, as it is equals to 3. Now here what we get is that minus of 6y equals to 3, as it is. Now this minus 10, on shifting to the right hand side, it will be plus of 10 equals to 3 plus 10 equals to 13. This 13 is the value of minus of 6y. Then the value of y will be equals to 13. This minus 6 is in multiple with y, on shifting to the right hand side, it will becomes divided by minus 6. Our answer is now minus 13 by 6. When the value of x is minus 5, then we have to write down here minus 13 by 6, minus 13 by 6. When the value of x is minus 5, we get the value of y is, that is minus of 13 by 6. This column is completed. Now here in the same equation, that is in equation 2x minus 6y equals to 3, we have to put the value of y equals to 0. Then put y equals to 0 in this equation, that is equation is 2x minus 6y equals to 3. Now the value of y is 0. We have to put 0 instead of y. Now the equation becomes 2x, as it is minus, as it is 6. The value of y is now 0. Put 0 instead of y equals to 3. Now here 2x minus 6 into 0, 0 equals to 3. 2x minus 0, that is twice of x, equals to 3. We get the value of x equals to 3 by 2. Now we get the value x equals to 3 by 2 when we put y equals to 0. It means that when y equals to 0, the value of x is 3 by 2. Write down here 3 by 2. Now in xy column, the value of x is now 3 by 2, comma, the value of y is 0. Write down here 0. Here question number 4 is find the values of each of the following determinants. The first determinant, that is 4, 3, 2, 7. Here solve this. 4 will be multiplied with 7. Therefore 4 into 7 minus, now this 3 will be multiplied with 2. 3 into 2. Now here 4 into 7 it will be 28 minus 3 into 2 it will be 6. 28 minus 6 it will be 22. Here the value of first determinant is 22. Now second determinant, multiply this 5 with 1. Now this will be equals to 5 into 1 minus, now this minus 2 will be multiplied with minus 3, minus 2 into minus of 3. Now here 5 into 1 it will be 5. This minus, as it is minus 2 minus 6, it will be plus of 6. Here 5 minus 6, the answer is minus 1. Now moving towards the third determinant. Here this 3 will be multiplied with 4, that is 3 into 4 minus, as it is, now this minus 1 will be multiplied with 1. Now this minus 1 will be multiplied with 1. Now here 3 into 4, that is 12, minus, as it is minus 1 into 1, that is a minus of 1. Now here 12 minus minus will be plus 1, that is 12 plus 1 equals to 13. Is question 5. Solve the following equation by Cramer's method. Sub question 1. Write down this sub question in the solution part. Here the first equation is 6x minus 3y equals to minus of 10, and second equation is 3x plus 5y minus of 8 equals to 0. Now here we see that this second equation is not in the form of ax plus by equals to c. Therefore write this second equation, that is 3x plus 5y minus 8 equals to 0, in the form of ax plus by equals to c. Therefore write equation 3x plus 5y minus 8 in the form of ax plus by equals to c. Now here 3x as it is plus 5y as it is. Now this minus 8 on shifting to the right side, it will be plus of 8. Here now we get this equation in the form of ax plus by equals to c. Now here equation number 1, that is 6x minus 3y equals to minus of 10, give it number 1. And equation number 2, now it is converted in this form. Then write down here 3x plus 5y equals to 8. This is equation number 2. Now we have to find the values of x and y by Cramer's method. Then we have to first find the value of d, that is d equals to. Now here in the determinant, write the coefficient of first equation, that is 6 and minus 3. Therefore write 6 minus 3. In the second row, write down the coefficient of second equation, that is 3 and 5. Write down here 3 and 5. Now find the value of d, that is 6 will be multiplied with 5 minus this minus 3 will be multiplied with 3. Now this minus 3 will be multiplied with this 3. Now 6 into 5 it will be 30. Now this minus, as it is minus 3 into 3, it will be minus of 9 equals to 30. As it is minus minus, it will be plus 9 equals to 39. Now we get the value of d, that is 39. Therefore write down here d equals to 39. Now we have to find the value of dx. Therefore write down here dx equals to, in determinant, now write down in the x column the elements C1 and C2. This is the column of X. Now in the second column, write down the coefficient of Y, that is -3 and 5 here, equals to the value of C1 is -10 and value of C2 is 8. Therefore write down here -10 and 8, and the coefficient of Y as it is, that is -3 and 5. Now find the value of dx here. Here we get -10 will be multiplied with 5 minus this -3 will be multiplied with 8. Here -3 into 8. Now here -10 into 5, it will be minus of 50 minus, as it is now -3 into 8, it will be minus of 24 equals to -50, as it is minus, it will be plus of 24. Now -50 plus 24, it will be minus of 26. Now we get the value of dx equals to minus of 26. Write down here dx equals to minus of 26. Now we have to find the value of dy. Therefore dy equals to, now here the y's column, this means second column is replaced by this C1 and C2. Now this second column, that is C1 and C2, is replaced. Now here the coefficient of that x is, we have to return in the, we have to write the coefficient of x in the first column, that is 6 and 3. Now here equals to, in the first column 6, 3, the value of C1 and C2 is -10 and 8. Write down here -10 value of C1 and 8 is the value of C2. Therefore now find the value of this dy. Now this 6 into 8, it will be 6 multiplied with 8 minus, as it is now this -10 will multiplied with 3, -10 into 3. Now here 6 into 8, it will be 48 minus, as it is now here -10 into 3, it will be minus of 30. Now here 48, as it is minus, it will be plus of 30. 48 plus 30, it will be 78. Now we get the value of dy equals to 78. Now we get the values of d, that is 39, dx, that is -26, and dy, that is 78. Then write down here, that is d equals to 39, dx equals to minus of 26, -26 here, and dy equals to 78. We get these values. Now we have to find the values of x and y. For finding the value of x, we know the formula, that is x equals to dx divided by d. The value of dx is -26 here, write down -26. The value of d is 39, write down here 39. Now 26 and 39 both are multiples of 13, then 30 it will be cancelled by 13 2 times, and 39 will be cancelled by 13 3 times. Now we get the answer, that is minus into 2, it will be minus of 2 divided by 3. This is the value of x. Now we have to find the value of y. We know the formula for y, that is y equals to dy by d equals to, now the value of dy is 78, write down here 78, upon the value of d is 39, write down here 39. Now here this 78 is multiple of 39, means 31 one time, 39 into 2 means 2 times it is multiple, therefore we get 2. Here the value of y is 2. Now we get x comma y equals to, the value of x is, that is -2 by 3, comma the value of this y is 2, here write down, is the solution. Question number 5, sub question 2. Now write down this simultaneous equation in the solution part, that is 4m minus twice of n equals to minus of 4, and second equation is, that is 4m plus 3n equals to 16. Now we have to first find out the value of d, that is d equals to, now write down the coefficient of first equation, that is 4 and -2 in the first row, that is 4 and -2. In the second row, write down the coefficients of second equation, that is 4 and 3, write down here 4 and 3. Now find the value of d, that is 4 into 3 4 into 3 minus this minus 2 will be multiplied with this 4, that is minus of 2 into 4. Now on solving this, 4 into 3 it will be 12 minus, as it is now here minus 2 into 4 it will be minus of 8. Now here 12 as it is minus it will be plus 8 equals to 20. We get the value of d, that is 20. Therefore write down d equals to 20. Now we have to find the value of dx. Therefore dx equals to, now in the first column of, that is the column of x, we have to write down the values of c1 and c2. Therefore the values of c1 and c2 are c1 and c2. The values, these are the values of c1 and c2. Down here minus 4 the value of c1 and 16 that is the value of c2 in the first column, but in the second column you have to write down the coefficient of n, that is 2, minus 2 and 3 here, that is minus of 2 and 3 here. Now find the value of dx. Now this minus 4 will be multiplied with 3 minus, as it is now this minus 2 will be multiplied with 16. Now here minus 4 into 3 it will be minus of 12 minus, as it is here minus 2 into 16 it will be minus of 32. Now here equals to, as it is minus 12 minus will be plus of 32. Now here minus 12 plus 32 it will be plus of 20. It is simple calculation, you can easily do that. Now we have to find the value of dy. Now dy equals to, here in the dy, in the determinant dy you have to write down the values of c1 and c2 in the second column, that is minus 4 and 16, but in the first column you have to write down the coefficient of this first variable, that is m, that is 4 and 4, this coefficient in the first column. Therefore write down 4 and 4 in the first column of determinant dy, that is 4 and 4. Now we get the elements in determinant dy. Now we have to find the value of dy, that is 4 will be multiplied with 16, 4 into 16 minus, as it is minus 4 into 16 minus, now this minus 4 will be multiplied with this 4, minus 4 into 4. Now here 4 into 16 it will be 64 minus, as it is now this minus 4 into 4 it will be minus of 16. Now here 64 as it is minus will be plus 16. Now it is simple addition, we get 64 plus 16 equals to 80. Now we get the values, that is the values of d, that is 20, dx that is 20 and dy is 80. Write down here the values. Here we get d equals to 20, write down here 20 comma dx equals to 20, dx equals to 20, write down here 20, and we get the value of dy, that is 80. Therefore dy equals to 80. Now we have to find the values of x and y. We know the formula for x, that is x equals to dx divided by d equals to, now the value of dx is, that is 20, write down here 20 instead of dx, divided by d, the value of d is 20, write down here 20. Now here 20 is cancelled by 20 one time, therefore 1 divided by 1, answer is 1. We get the value of x equals to 1. Now we have to find the value of y, that is y, the formula for y is dy divided by d, the value of dy is 80, write down here 80, divided by d, the value of d is 20, write down here 20. 80 and 20 is divisible, that is 20 one time and 80 is divisible by 20 4 times, therefore 4 by 1 equals to 4. We get the value of y equals to 4, that is we get x comma y, that is the value of x and y are, the value of x is 1, write down here 1 comma the value of y is 4, write down here 4 is the solution. Question number 5, sub question 3, simultaneous equations are given, then write down these simultaneous equations in the solution part. That is, first equation is 3x minus 2y equals to 5 by 2, and second equation is, that is 1 by 3 of x plus 3y equals to minus 4 by 3. Now we have to find the values of x and y by Cramer's method, then we have to first find out the value of d, that is d equals to determinant d. The elements of determinant d will be in the first row you have to write the elements of first equation, that is 3 and minus 2. Write down here 3 and minus 2. In the second row we have to write down the coefficient of the second equation, that is 1 by 3 and 3. Write down here 1 by 3 and 3 here. Now you can easily calculate the value of d, that is 3 into 3 multiplied with 3 minus this minus of 2 will be multiplied with 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3. Now here equals to 3 into 3, it is 9, minus as it is minus 2 into 1 by 3, that means minus 2 will be multiplied with this numerator, that is it will be minus of 2 divided by 3. Now here what we get here 9 as it is. Now this minus will be plus 2 by 3 here. Now it is calculation. Here the denominator of 9 is 1, therefore on cross multiplying or by making denominator common, that is 9 into 3 plus that 2 into 1, that is 2 divided by 3. Now here the denominator is common for both. Now here 9 into 3, it will be 27 plus 2 divided by 3. Now it is equals to 27 plus 2 equals to 29 divided by 3. This is the value of d. Therefore write down here d equals to 29 divided by 3. Then we have to find the value of dx. In the dx, in the first column you have to write the elements of this C1 and C2, that is 5 by 2 and minus 4 by 3. These are the values of C1 and C2. Therefore in the first column you have to write down the values of C1 and C2. The value of C1 is 5 by 2. Therefore write down this 5 by 2, this 5 by 2 here, and down to it write down the value of C2, that is minus 4 by 3 here, minus 4 by 3 here. In the second column you have to write down the element of the coefficient of y, that is minus 2 and 3. Therefore write down here minus 2 and 3 here. Now find the value of dx, that is 5 by 2 multiplied with 3 minus this minus 2 will be multiplied with minus 4 by 3. Do this calculation very carefully. Now here 5 into 3, it will be 15 by 2. Now this minus as it is. Now here minus into minus will be plus, means the multiplication of minus 2 and minus 4 by 3 will be, that is 8 divided by 3. Now here denominator is not common. Now cross multiply this 15 into 3 minus this 8 into 2 divided by this 2 into 3. Now we get here 15 into 3, it will be 45 minus 8 into 2, it will be 16 divided by 6. This is simple calculation, that is 45 minus 16, 29 by 6. Therefore write down here dx equals to 29 by 6. Now here we have to find the value of dy, therefore write down dy here. In the determinant dy, in the second column write down the values of C1 and C2, that is 5 by 2 and minus 4 by 3 here, that is 5 by 2 and minus 4 by 3 here. In the first column write down the coefficient of x, that is 3 and 1 by 3. Now we get the elements of dy. Now on solving this equals to that 3 will be multiplied with minus 4 by 3, that is minus 4 by 3. 5 by 2 will be multiplied with 1 by 3. Now here what we get, that is 3 into 3 and 3 get cancelled because this is in numerator and this is in denominator. What we get here minus 4. Now minus as it is, therefore here 5 by 2 into 1 by 3, it is a simple multiplication of fraction, that is numerator will be multiplied with numerator and denominator 5 into 1, that is 5 divided by 6. Now on solving this calculation, the denominator of minus 4 is 1, therefore on cross multiplying minus 4 into 6 minus 5 into 1 that is 5 divided by 6 that is minus 4 into 6 that is minus of 24 minus as it is this 5 also as it is divided by 6. Now here minus 24 minus 9 it will be minus of 29 divided by 6. This is the value of dy. Therefore write down here dy equals to minus 29 by 6. We get the values of dx and dy. Write down here the value of d we get is d equals to what we get, the value of d that is 29 by 3. Write down here 29 by 3. We get the value of dx that is dx. Value of dx we get is that is 29 by 6. Write down here dx equals to 29 by 6 and the value of dy is dy equals to minus 29 by 6. Here we get the values of dx and dy. Now we have to find the value of x, that is x equals to dx by d. This is the formula of x. The value of dx is 29 by 6. Therefore write down here 29 by 6 in the numerator divided by d. The value of d is 29 by 3 right in this denominator. Now on solving this equals to 29 by 6 divided by 29 by 3. The meaning of this is this. Now on solving 29 by 6 into division sign changes by multiplication, then we have to make inverse of this 29 by 3 that is 3 by 29. Now here 29 get cancelled, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 here. Therefore we get 1 by 2 here, that is the value of x we get is x equals to 1 by 2. Now we have to find the value of y, that is y equals to dy by d. The value of dy is minus of 29 by 6 that is numerator by the value of d is 29 by 6. On solving this the numerator is minus 29 by 6 divided by this 29 by 6. What we get here minus 29 by 6 as it is. Now we changes this sign into multiplication. Multiplication is inverse of division. Therefore this number will be inverse, that is 6 divided by 29. Now this 29 cancelled with 29 and this 6 cancelled with 6. We get minus 1. We get minus here minus 1 into 1 that is minus of 1. We get the value of y. We get the value of y equals to minus of 1. Hence we get the values of x and y, that is x comma y 1 by 2 comma minus 1. Write down the equations in the solution part, that is 7x plus 3y equals to 15 and second equation is that is 12y minus 5x equals to 39. Now rearrange this second equation, that is minus of 5x plus 12y equals to 39. Now equation first is here we get that is 7x plus 3y equals to 15, that is equation number 1 and second equation is minus of 5x plus 12y equals to 39, that is equation number 2. Now we have to find the value of d, that is d equals to the coefficient of first equation that is 7 3 and in the second row the coefficient of second equation that is minus 5 and 12. Now here it will be equals to 7 into 12 minus 3 into minus of 5 equals to 7 into 12 it will be 84 minus 3 into minus 5 that is minus of 15 equals to 84 minus will be plus of 15. 84 plus 15 it will be 99. Now here we have to find the value of dx. Dx equals to, now in the first column write down the elements, that is C1 and C2 here 15 and 39 C1 and C2, but in the second column write down the coefficient of y, that is 3 and 12. Now we have to find the value of dx, that is it will be 15 into 12 minus this 3 will be multiplied with 39. Now here 15 into 12 that is 1 of 80 minus that is 3 into 39 that is 117. 180 minus 117, that is 63. We get dx equals to 63. Now we have to find the value of dy, that is dy equals to, now 15, 39, the values of C1 and C2 in the second column, but in the first column you have to write down the coefficient of x, that is 7 and minus 5 in the first column, that is write down here 7 and minus 5. Now solve this 7 into 39 minus 15 into minus of 5. Now 7 into 39, it will be 273 minus 15 into minus 5, that is minus of 75, equals to 273, that is as it is minus minus it will be plus 75, that is 348. Here we get the values of dx and dy. Write down here the values of dx and dy. The value of d we get is 99. Write down here 99. Value of dx equals to 63. Write down 63. The value of dy is 348. Write down here 348. Now we have to find the value of x and y. We know the formula for that, that is x equals to dx by d, that is 63 divided by 99, and here 63s and 99s are multiple of 9. 9 into 7 and 9 into 11. 9 cancelled, answer is 7 by 11. Here we get the value of x equals to 7 by 11, and here y equals to dy by d. Here the value of dy is 348 by 99. The value of d is 99. Now these both are multiple of 3. 3 into 116, that is 348, and 3 into 33, that is 99. Here 3 get cancelled, we get 116 divided by 33, that is the value of y equals to 116 by 33. Now here x comma y are 7 by 11 and 116 by 33 is the solution. Question 5, sub question 5. Now write down the equation in the solution part, that is x plus y minus 8 by 2 equals to x plus 2y minus 14 divided by 3 equals to 3x minus y by 4. Now equate first two equations, that is x plus y minus 8 divided by 2 equals to x plus 2y minus 14 by 3, this equation. Now on cross multiplying these two equations, multiply 3 into x plus y minus 8 equals to, now 2 will be multiplied with this x plus 2y minus 14. Now it is simple multiplication. 3 into x, it will be 3x plus 3 into y, 3y minus 24 equals to 2 into this complete equation, that is 2 into x, it will be 2x plus 2 into 2y, 4 of y minus 2 into 14 minus of 28. Now here shift this 2x plus 4y on left hand side, it will be 3x plus 3y minus 24 as it is on the left side. Now shift this, it will be minus of 2x and minus of 4y, means its sign will be changes, equals to minus 28 as it is. Now here 3x minus 2x, that will be x, 3y minus 4y, that is minus of y, minus 24 as it is, equals to minus of 28. Now here what we get is that x minus y equals to minus 28. Now shift this minus 24 on right hand side, it will be plus of 24. Now we get x minus y equals to minus 28 plus 24, it will be minus of 4. Give it equation number 1. We get this equation on solving these first two equations. Now equate this second fraction with this. Here it will be x plus 2y minus 14 by 3 will be equals to 3x minus y by 4. Now cross multiply this. 4 will be multiplied with this and 3 will be multiplied with this. Now it will be 4 into x plus 2y minus 14 equals to, now 3 will be multiplied with this, 3 into 3x minus y. Now multiply 4 into x, 4x plus 8y. Now here minus 4 into 14, that will be 56 equals to 3 into 3x, that will be 9 of x minus as it is 3 into y, that is 3y. Now on solving this, what we get, that is shift 9x minus 3y on left side and interchange of sides, that is 9x minus 3y equals to 4x plus 8y minus 56. Now here 9x minus 3y, now 4x will be shift on left side, it will be becomes minus 4x plus 8y, on shifting it will becomes minus 8y equals to minus of 56. Now here 9x minus 4x, that is 5x minus 3y minus 8y, it will becomes minus 11 of y equals to minus 56. Here we get equation first and equation 2, that is x minus y equals to minus 4, give it equation number 1, and this equation, that is 5x minus 11y, 5x minus 11y equals to minus of 56, give it equation number 2. Now solve this by determinant method, we get the value of d equals to, write down here the value of d, that is 1 minus 1, 5 and minus 11. So on solving this, what we get, 1 into minus 11 minus 1 will be multiplied with 5, we get is 1 into minus 11 minus of 11 minus as it is, that will be minus of 5. Now here minus 11 as it is, minus minus plus 5, minus 11 plus 5, that will be minus of 6 here. The value of dx will be equals to c1 c2, that is minus 4 minus 56, and the coefficient of y, that is minus 1 minus 11 equals to minus 4 will be multiplied with minus 11 minus 1 will be multiplied with minus 56 equals to minus 4 into minus 11, that is plus 44, minus as it is minus 1 minus 56, that is plus 56. Now here 44 minus 56, it will be minus of 12. Here we get the value of dx equals to minus of 12. Now we have to find the value of dy. Dy will be equals to, in determinant, write down here in the second column minus 4 minus 56, that is the values of c1 and c2. In the first column, write down the coefficient of x, that is 1 and 5. Now on solving this, 1 will be multiplied with minus 56 minus 4 will be multiplied with 5. 1 into minus 56, that will be minus of 56 minus as it is minus 4 into 5, that will be minus of 20. Now here minus 56 as it is minus minus, it will be plus of 20, minus 56 plus 20, that is will be equals to minus of 36. Here we get the value of dy equals to minus 36. Now we get the values of dx and dy. The value of d is minus 6, value of dx equals to minus 12, and the value of dy we get is minus of 36. Now here we have to find the value of x. We know the formula, that is dx by d. We get the value of dx, that is minus of 12 divided by d, that is minus of 6. On cancellation, it will get 2. Here we get the answer 2. The value of x equals to 2 we get. Now the value of y equals to dy by d. Here dy equals to minus 36 by d, that is minus of 6. Minus minus will plus, and this 36 will be cancelled by 6 times, that is we get 6. Here we get the value of y equals to 6. Here the value of x comma y equals to 2 comma 6 is the solution.